Hi guys, today I'm gonna solve a Leetcode problem. The problem number is 70, climbing stairs. In this, you are climbing a staircase. It takes n steps to reach to the top. So each time you could climb either 1 or 2 steps. Okay, in how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? So these are the two examples. I will go in detail about this example in the Visual Studio. So what I have done is I have copied these two examples, and I would like to go and visualize and walk you through this example. Okay, so let's say for the first let's say the number of n steps is 1, so there will be only one way to get it, is to just jump 1. If you jump 2, you would be out of bound. Okay, so there's only number of ways is 1, so which is clear. And for the second one, in this problem, it is 1 plus 1, right? One step at a time, or either 2 steps. So 1 step at a time to 2, or either from 0 to you just jump to 2. Okay, so 2 ways. And the third one would be as it explains, 1 step at a time. It's from 0, 1, 2, 3, or either you go to 1 and make a big jump to 3, or either you go to 0, 1, 2, 0 to 2, and then go baby steps to 3. Okay, so 3 ways as per the example. Okay, so how do you go to fourth step, right? So the 4, if the n is 4, you would go 5 different ways. How? You would either make baby steps each time and then go to 4, or you go to 1 and then make a big jump to 3 and take 1 step, right? So that is the second. And the third one would be either you go to 1, 2 and make a big jump to 4. Okay, so that is the third one. And the fourth one would be you would go to 2 and then you would make a big jump to 2 and then make baby steps. Okay, and the last one would be you would just make one big jump to 2 and then to 4. Okay, so as you can see, these are the different ways to reach to 1, 2, 3 and to the fourth step, right, which I just explained. So 5 different ways. So as you can see, there is a pattern. Okay, so the pattern is number of ways to step 1 plus number of ways to step 2 would give you the number of way to reach step 3. So for example, if we have to reach to step 4, just now we would add up step 2, number of ways to reach step 2, and number of ways to reach step 3. That would be 3. 2 plus 3 would be 5. Similarly, if you have 5 steps, that would be number of ways to reach step 3 plus number of ways to reach step 4. That would be 8. Similarly, 13 would be the different ways to reach step 6. Okay, so let's prove this. Okay, and how would we would do it? We would need to declare 3 variables, and in the third one, the C is the different ways to actually this is C. Okay, different ways to actually reach to the n number of steps. Okay, so that would be a plus b, as I explained, a plus b here. Okay, and then we would interchange the variable in the loop. Okay, so for that, what I need to do is I just need to declare 3 variables. Okay, so let my first value be a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and then the C is the one that I need to return. That would be a plus b. So that I need to do in a loop. Okay, so let's start a loop, and my I would be 3 now, right? So because I already took care of n equals to 1, because this is hard coded by default, there is only one way, and for the second 2 steps, there's n equals to 2, there is only 2 ways as per the problem, right? So that would be the third one, right? So I have to start my loop at the third one equals to n plus plus, and then as I said, copy this, C equals to a plus b. Okay, so my C would be a plus b, right? So let's say here I am in my third, right? So a is 1, b is 2, so my C would be a plus b. So that is what I want, right? So now if these loops end at 3, this is perfect. Okay, but I don't know, I need to be a little bit dynamic, right? So I need to move this one at a time, right? So I need to move this. So how do I interchange this, right? So I need to make my a equals to b the value of b previously held, right? And my b would be the value that I just assigned, c. Okay, so let's debug this, and we need to return c. Basically, that's it. We are done. So we want to debug this. Okay, so when the value of n is 3, it will fall into this loop, right? So what is the value of n right now? My value of n right now for this problem is 6. Okay, I have hard coded it to 6. Let's just start our application, and my value of n is 6. Perfect. So let's put the value of I is 3 right now, and let's take this n out. Let's put the value of b over in on top of b, c on top of c, and a on top of a. Okay, so okay, let's debug. Okay, c would be, I am on the third, right? So I expect number of ways to be 3. Is that correct? Right. A is 1 and b is 2 actually. Sorry, b is 2. Yeah, b is 2 here. So now the new value, right? So I'm thinking about the new value would be a would be 2, and the b would be the value that I am assigned, c. So where am I right now in this loop? So b would be, yeah, here I am. B would be 3. So now if I say I is 4, how many ways I can have? 5, right? For that, what I need? A, that is 2, and b, that is 3. Is that b is 3, 2? So my new c in this loop would be 5. Perfect. Similarly, the last, for the fifth one, I expect my c to be 8. Is that correct? Yes. And then interchange our value. Let's just put this here, right? 8, c would be 8, and my b would be okay. And then for the last one, n is 6 and the I value is 6, so the c would be 13. Perfect. I don't care about this because the loop ends now, and then I will return 13, which is what I have. Okay, good. Let's put this code in action and see if it passes all the test cases in Leetcode. Okay, put this here, run. And I will submit it. Perfect. 18 milliseconds, and this is my solution to the problem, and I will also come up with a different solution using dynamic programming. Stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.